Hello, everybody. Welcome to semester 5. I'll be teaching practice of general insurance subject. You have been studying insurance subject since few semesters. This time it is more elaborated and we are going to deal with general insurance in your first unit. To start with the topic, that is introduction to general insurance, as usual I'm going to depend on slideshare.com, and the article is uploaded by Pritam Bhalgat. You all can see there are very good views given to the slides. Slideshare.com will always help you to get good resources and good study material. As a principle, as a basic requirement of any insurance policy, there is present there is involvement of different parties. You should remember there will be an insurance company, there will be a party, second party, that is called as an agent, and third party will be us, or a person who is buying the insurance policy. So it's a tripartite contract. The very simple meaning of insurance is it is based on indemnity concept, which tells about making the losses good of the individual. In general insurance, we all have to remember everything excluding life. Other things are included in general insurance. It can cover the property against fire, burglary, theft, flood storm, earthquake, and so on. It also covers the big sales, or you can say cargoes, the hulls, ships which are available, motor vehicle damages also. Everything will be covered under this. General insurance covers almost everything, including our house, car, health. And these policies are now very easily available online. For example, you must have heard about policybazaar.com, where you can compare the prices. Now, why are we buying general insurance? There are 5 reasons given on the slide. One is to get the financial security. Second is to get peace of mind against the risk. Third is to protect mortgage properties. Fourth, avoid burden of loss. And last is to avoid accidents. Very important. I cannot say completely that we will not meet with an accident, but we can try to mitigate, or we can try to prevent things from happening. Even if these things are happening, we can get reimbursement or repayment or compensation for the loss that has happened. What is an insurance policy? An insurance policy is a contract made between a policyholder and an insurance company. And we all know any amount that we have to pay, which is a part of insurance policy, it can be monthly, quarterly, yearly, is called a premium. And then also depends on the value of the policy. If you're buying a policy that is of 1 crore, obviously the premium will be high. If you have an insurance policy of few lakhs, again the premium varies. Types of general insurances, as I told in the start, are there given. You all can see it covers automobile, liability, burglary, fire, theft, marine, engineering, etc. These all things are included. The remaining slides will give you more idea about different kind of insurances which are included under general insurance. The first thing you're seeing on the screen is a cute car. Now, it is a mandatory product to buy after purchase of your car. Car repair expenses can also be claimed in this. There are different car companies selling cars, will always ask you if you want zero debt insurance, and if you take that, it can cover your service charges, or it can cover the damages, or when you're giving it for servicing, it can help you in a better way. It provides protection against third party liability and physical damages. Again, if we talk about car, there can be fire in the car, there can be theft, somebody can steal your car. During riots, the public property is destroyed, maybe your car is destroyed, earthquake takes your car away, flood takes your car away, and cyclone, etc. What is a liability insurance? It is purchased to protect an investor or business. It covers the risk of property damage, bodily injury to third party, being held legally liable for negligence. Next is marine insurance. As I told in the start, it will cover any loss or any problem caused to cargo, ships, and terminals between the point of origin and final destination. Fire insurance, it covers damages which are happening to the property. It goes beyond the property insurance and covers the cost of reconstruction, cost of replacement, cost of repair. Engineering insurance, it provides coverage for damage to machinery. These are all kind of fixed assets or physical assets. Business interruption, stock deterioration, computer and electronic equipment. Burglary insurance, this is mostly you must have heard and seen where a jeweler who has a gold, silver, or diamond shop will have such insurance. This will also cover cash, valuables, securities kept in locker, and cash box also sealed in the cupboard. Benefits, it gives us peace of mind. It is a kind of investment. It inculcates a habit of savings. It is self dependent. It gives financial security. It gives stability. So, these all were the things which were included, which were very important in your start of the session. This was all about introduction. I hope you all will understand it better. If you do not, if there are any doubts, please message me on Moodle and let me know where I can help you in the topic. That's all for today. Since it is a 2 credit course, we need to have proper blend of studying this subject because we think it is a 40 marks paper. You shouldn't take any subject lightly. Devote your proper time to the subject and please let me know. Thank you.